litigare, far l'amore, poi che male c'è? E si accenderà la musica, per te io canterò il più grande giorno di...
Hey you! Hello everyone. Thanks for clicking. I'm Official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Thanks for the discovery. I'm new here, so can you all accept me within this particular time and space just to learn about what's taking place? Okay, so my people, I've been scrolling through YouTube and I've discovered Sanremo 2026, and this track is called Vinci, Canta, sempre. See, never heard of it. In fact, the title sounds bizarre as well. So this is gonna be something I never yet heard, and I guess this is not gonna be in English. So let's brace myself for the melody, the music, and what the artist has to deliver in this particular track. With that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what's going on. Peace.
Tutto quanto dal principio, io che per te ero solo un uomo sconosciuto, poi diventato un re dal cuore innamorato, tu una regina ora vestita in bianco sposa, abbiamo sognato figli in una grande casa e superato tutte le difficoltà, perché un amore non è amore per la vita se non ha affrontato la più ripida salita. E si accenderà la musica e qui ti aspetterò, il più grande giorno ti regalerò. Saremo io e te per sempre, legati per la vita che senza...
Marvelous! That was marvelous. Yo, this guy is too great. A top-notch singer. A singer of the decade. Bro, even though he's singing in Spanish, I think, I'm not sure what language this he's singing in, but please correct me. He's delivering. He's just riding the beat. He's a musician. He's a very great deliverer. Musically, he's delivering outstandingly. Let's continue.
Sempre sì, so bene che una grande incognita è il futuro, ma insieme a te non mi spaventerà, perché costruiremo tutto ma non alzeremo un muro, litigare, far l'amore, poi che male c'è? E si accenderà la musica, per te io canterò, il più grande giorno ti regalerò. Saremo io e te per sempre, legati per...
Guys, I'm sorry. I'm forgetting that I'm doing a reaction, bro. Whoa! 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 What a vibe! What a mood! What a joy this music brings! Whoa! I am feeling refreshed. I'm feeling revived. I'm feeling spirit lifted with freedom, bro. You know? Damn, bro. Let's continue.
La vita che senza te non vale niente, non ha senso vivere. Con la mano sul petto io te lo prometto, davanti a Dio saremo io e te, da qui sarà per sempre sì, soltanto sì, per questi giorni e miliardi ancora. Un semplice sì, l'eternità è dentro una parola. Saremo io e te per sempre, legati per la vita che senza te non vale niente, così, sarà per sempre sì.
Last part, bro, was romantically this playful. Hmm. Hmm. When no man appears, I'm not sure if it's his wife, but regardless, it must have been his wife. But that was also very romantic, you know, very much romantic. And with music like this, bro, you can always dance your pain away. You can always feel rejoicing. You can always have the groove to keep on pushing forward, bro. If you're a person who listen to music in this type of language, I'm not sure if it's Spanish, but if you're this type of person who talks in English and you guys listen to music in all diaspora life, whether it's Spanish or Dutch or English or Patois or whatever, bro, this type of music will keep you calm. This type of music will keep you flowing and going. Let music flow. And I'm in Jamaica right now, and I'm telling you, this type of music elevates me daily. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. So just imagine the people who support him. They must have feel elevating while listening. And I'm happy to be a part of the ship that is sailing regarding to his music. I'm very welcome here. Thanks for the acceptance. Thanks for the music. Damn, bro. Your music is outstanding. Your performance is outstanding. And also your voice is also top notch. So if you guys enjoy my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him her about me, Jamaican reactor. I'll see you later. Peace. Respect.